Hey, guess what? Mr. Rich here with some motor tips. Okay, today we're not doing no, we're not working on no cars. Okay, so check it out. I'm working on the deck railing. I'm sanding it to get prime. I'm gonna prime it after that. So yesterday I did the pavers over here was sinking right here, this area. So I redo that area and seal it up, so it's all good. All right, so come on over here. Let's go. Let's see what I'm doing up here. Okay, so this is. I gotta go up that ladder there. So right up there, I'm gonna go up. So I'm gonna sand. I'm sanding that metal over there. Let's see if I can angle the camera up there. And let me see. Camera not angle. Can my thing that can't go up that high. Let me see if I can put it like that. I gotta put it on something. Let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna go up there. Oh, gotta get a piece of wood to hold this thing down here. 1 second, let me get a piece of wood here to hold this bracket down. My tripod. Okay. Let me see what I got now. I go up the ladder there and I'm standing the railing. Alright, so check it out. I made this piece here so I can step on it. It's like a little ratchet over there. I can wind it up a little. So got my little grinder over here. Little piece more to go, and then I can start do some priming. Let's see. Right here. There we go. I get some shape off. Three coats of paint on there, and I'll get some off. I put it right before that I fill with blue. I go white, now I'm going back to gray. I'm going to gray now. Alright, so you get in there. One more step. Up. Put it in here. This is a big mess. What do you think? Okay. This is more here. Yes, I am going to try it out before the rain comes down. Okay, you want to know? Yep. It's going to be late. Yeah, clean up now, and I gotta between this area here, I gotta grind down a little. I got my other grinder, my air grinder, grind down. So a lot of mess over there. I got a fan blow it out here, you know. So I made this scaffold over here, right here, so I can come over and stand up on it. See? So I put a strap over there to hold it up. I missed one over there, so I gotta move the strap away from there. Let me see. Okay, looks good. All right, so that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next one.